Would you like to create this effect using Canva? Then watch
Yes!
until the end. First, go to your design page and search for an image. Click on the background remover. Once done, make sure to adjust it depending on your preference. Once you're happy, click Share and download it. Once you downloaded it, upload it again and add to your design page. Next, go to App Store and search for Typecraft. I then added my preferred text here. Choose your preferred font, and once you're happy, change the color to white. Then, adjust the points to match the curve of your design. Once you are happy, click Update Element. Then go to Elements and click on the square shape, resize it, make the color black, and then copy your words here. And then download it. Then upload it again, drag on your design, resize it to fit, and click the background remover. This is where the magic happens. Go to Edit, then go to Effects, and choose the duotone. We will go for the cheery effect. Change both colors to white. Then, adjust both sides to fit your desired effect. To make it pop more, go to Elements and type in Shadow, then choose your preferred one. After that, add it as a shadow to your image. Adjust the transparency depending on your preference. And here's the final result. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.